Your suspension components are the first thing to check, and the most expensive surprise waiting for out-of-warranty Tesla owners who ignored early warning signs. Tesla's basic vehicle limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. Suspension components, including control arms, lateral links, and half shafts, are fully covered under that warranty. On Model S and Model X, the air springs are covered too. Once that warranty expires, you are paying full price for every one of these components, and the bills are significant. Control arm replacement runs $400 to $800 per side at an independent Tesla specialist shop, and up to $1,600 per side at a Tesla service center. Model S and Model X air springs run $1,500 to $3,500 each, and they typically fail one at a time, meaning you may face that bill multiple times. The warning signs are specific enough that you can check for them yourself before your warranty expires. Take the car to an empty parking lot and drive slowly over a speed bump or rough surface with all windows down and the radio off. Listen for any clunking, creaking, or squeaking from the front or rear suspension. At highway speeds, check for any vibration in the steering wheel that was not there before. If you notice any of these symptoms, book a service appointment immediately and describe exactly what you heard and where. If Tesla finds a manufacturing defect causing the issue, it is covered. If you wait until after the warranty expires, that same repair becomes your expense entirely. The second part to check is the touchscreen and media control unit, and which generation hardware you have determines how urgent this check is. Early Model S and Model X vehicles from 2012 through roughly 2018 used MCU1 hardware with an eMMC memory chip that had a well-documented failure pattern. Tesla acknowledged the issue, lost a lawsuit over it, and extended warranty coverage as a result. But that extended coverage has mileage and time limits that are now expiring on many of those vehicles. If you own an early Model S or Model X approaching your warranty limit, checking the touchscreen health is the single highest priority item on this list. MCU1 replacement runs $1,500 or more out of warranty. MCU2 replacements on later vehicles cost similar amounts. For Model 3 and Model Y owners, the touchscreen hardware is significantly more reliable, but it is still worth checking before warranty expiration. Test every function. Check climate controls, navigation, autopilot settings, Bluetooth, backup camera display, and media playback. Look for any dead zones where taps are not registering, any yellowing around the edges of the screen, or any complete restarts happening without being triggered. Any of these symptoms reported to Tesla before your warranty expires costs you nothing to investigate. The same investigation after expiration will cost you the diagnostic fee plus whatever repair is needed. Third are the door seals, door handles, and window regulators, and the specific failure points vary significantly by model. Model S owners have the highest exposure here. The flush retractable door handles on the Model S are one of the most frequently cited reliability complaints in the Tesla owner community. The motorized mechanism fails regularly, and full handle assembly replacement runs $400 to $1,000 per handle. Replacing all 4 adds up to $1,600 to $4,000 out of warranty for what is essentially a cosmetic mechanism. Before your warranty expires, test every door handle multiple times in both warm and cold conditions, because the failure rate is higher in cold weather when the mechanism is stiff. Model 3 and Model Y owners have more reliable handles, but the frameless door windows are a known weak point. The window regulators that raise and lower those frameless windows can fail, and replacement runs $600 to $1,200 per door. Test every window by fully lowering and raising it several times before your warranty appointment. Also check every door seal by running your hand along the rubber perimeter of each door and trunk, looking for any sections that feel loose, cracked, or have pulled away from the frame. Door seal replacement is covered under warranty. Out of warranty, it is an annoying and unnecessary expense on a car that should not have seal failures at modest mileage. Fourth is the HVAC system and heat pump, and this one catches owners off guard because it feels like it should be a simple system. Tesla's heat pump is efficient when it works, but repairs are expensive when it does not. HVAC compressor replacement runs $1,200 to $2,800, depending on model, and whether you use a Tesla service center or an independent specialist. Cold climate owners report higher failure rates because the system works harder in winter months, and the heat pump's reliance on refrigerant circuits means that any leak or compressor issue affects both heating and cooling simultaneously. Before your warranty expires, test the HVAC system thoroughly in both heating and cooling modes at multiple temperature settings. Turn the heat to maximum and let it run for 5 minutes. Then switch to maximum cooling and do the same. Listen for any unusual sounds from the HVAC vents or from under the hood during this process. Check that airflow is consistent across all vent positions. If anything feels or sounds wrong, book a service appointment and describe it specifically. A warranty-covered HVAC diagnosis costs nothing. An out-of-warranty compressor replacement costs thousands. Fifth is the camera and sensor system. And with Tesla's increasing reliance on autopilot, full self-driving, and basic safety functions, a failing camera is not just an inconvenience. Individual camera replacements cost $800 to $1,800 each, plus recalibration fees. If multiple cameras need replacement at the same time, you are looking at thousands of dollars in out-of-warranty repairs for what are fundamentally electronic components that should not be failing on a relatively new vehicle. Before your warranty expires, check every camera function systematically. Verify the backup camera displays clearly, with no distortion or dark patches. Check the autopilot camera views in the visualizer on the touchscreen and confirm all cameras are producing clean images. Test the front-facing cameras by engaging autopilot on a clear highway and confirm lane detection is working correctly. Any camera that shows degraded image quality, intermittent dropouts, or complete failure before your warranty expires should be reported immediately. Tesla covers camera and sensor failures under the basic warranty when they result from manufacturing defects rather than physical damage. Document any issue with screenshots from the camera view on the touchscreen before your appointment. Sixth is the 12-volt battery. And while this is the least expensive item on the list, it is the one most likely to leave you stranded if ignored. The 12-volt battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years and powers every low-voltage system in the car, including the computers, touchscreen, door locks, and the contactors that connect the main high-voltage battery. When it fails, the car becomes completely unresponsive. Replacement costs $150 to $250, depending on whether you do it yourself or use Tesla mobile service. Before your warranty expires, check the 12-volt battery health through the service menu on your touchscreen. If it is showing any signs of weakness or is approaching the 3-year mark, request a warranty inspection and let Tesla assess whether it needs replacement under coverage. A proactive replacement under warranty costs you nothing. An emergency replacement after a roadside failure costs the battery price plus a tow truck. Seventh is the charge port door, and this is the one that most owners never think to check until it stops working at an inconvenient moment. The motorized charge port door can fail to open or close. Repairs or replacement run $300 to $500, depending on whether the actuator alone needs replacement or the entire assembly. Before your warranty expires, test the charge port door repeatedly using both the button on the charging handle and the touchscreen control. Open it, close it, and open it from the app. Test it in cold weather specifically, because cold temperature failures are more common than warm temperature failures on this mechanism. The most important single action before your warranty expires is documenting everything with photos and submitting issues through the Tesla app before your appointment. Take a walk around the entire car after a thorough wash and photograph anything that looks unusual. Any panel gaps that seem wider than they should, any paint irregularities, any trim pieces that are not sitting flush. Submit these as service requests through the app before your warranty date. Tesla can only cover what they know about, and you cannot submit warranty claims after the coverage period ends. 2 hours spent doing this walk-around before expiration could save you thousands in repairs that should have been covered. If your warranty is expiring in the next 6 months, drop a comment below with your model and year. And if you want to keep getting practical Tesla ownership advice, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.